Hey, hi everyone, welcome back to our OmniScript series. So now we'll do a quick recap and also take a look at OmniScript Designer, what all things we can do. We have already seen like how we can create a new OmniScript using OmniScript Designer. So we'll just do a quick recap on various elements to it, right? So whenever you see here, right, there are multiple tabs. I have added OmniScripts tab, data mappers, integration procedures, okay, for our demo purposes. So when you navigate to OmniScript, you will see all the OmniScript that have been created, whether those are active, inactive, if they have multiple versions, what are those, right? If I navigate to this OmniScript, I'll land up here, right? So this is my OmniScript. If you look at this UI, right? So look at it carefully. What we are going to do, what elements are where, and what is their usage, right? That we need to understand. So now this is the OmniScript designer, within which on the left hand side you see a panel, on the right hand side you see another panel, and on the center or in the center you will see the area where actually we'll be doing our work, dragging and dropping our, or you can say a canvas where we can drag drop our elements and then configure its properties. Now in terms of technical, we understand everything, right? But in terms of placement, we need to understand where is what and how we can get it. This is elements group. These are the actual elements which will help us to build our OmniScript. Okay, on this side we have multiple groupings like groups, data mapper actions, standard actions, display functions, inputs, which we have used one of the input, right? OmniScript and Einstein. So all the elements which you need for building your OmniScript is on the left hand side. You can hide show using this button, hide show, right? If you want entire canvas for better visibility, you can hide show this. Then what is this? This is about list panel. So if I click here, this list will be visible here. When this is useful, is like when your OmniScript is big and having multiple actions in real world scenarios and project. OmniScript is having various or many actions or many elements. So for ease of navigation, you can just use this tab. Now moving on to the right hand side, right? If you see on the top, this is the button to hide and show the assistant panel. This is design assistant panel. Okay. If you see here, design assistant, hide, show. Then this will be for looking at the properties panel. Right, properties panel is associated with each and every element or block that we have dragged and dropped in our canvas. Then this one is for setup hide show. So this setup is for entire your OmniScript, whereas properties are for the selected. Suppose I select this, it will show its related properties, and I can easily modify those. Right now, so these are all the controls. If you click here, edit, since I have activated and then deactivated, I can see edit button here. Now this is inactive Omni script, where is I can just edit its properties. So if you remember, when you clicked on new OmniScript or created new OmniScript, on the new button it showed this kind of thing where you can give name to your Omni, then type subtype, which will help you identify, right, the purpose. It will be very easy to identify like what this OmniScript is doing. And for uniqueness also, this is important. We have already seen these things, right? So this is about what you can do, what you can find where within your OmniScript designer. I hope this will help you to recap all the things that you have learned. And my advice is like go through each and every elements block. Try to see what it does. Try to go and ask ChatGPT or Google Gemini about each and everything. Mainly create a form and try to add all those input elements. In next session, we'll talk around like okay, how we can capture the variable that user has input and how we can use it. Okay, thank you.